Hi there, hi parents, hi kids. All right, and ready, it's story time. So, do you remember who is this friend? This is our friend, right? Pete, remember? Right, and now we are going to listen to Pete, the story about him. All right, Pete the kitty and the case of Hiccups by James Dean. Hiccups. Now let's listen. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. So Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups? Grumpy Toad doesn't know. So Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. So Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Oh no, it doesn't work. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. So Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, and he sings a song. Oh no! Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. So Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. So Pete does it. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. So Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. So Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath and Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. Tick, 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 tick. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. All right. And now you know how to deal with the hiccups, right? Remember, when you got the hiccups, you need to take a deep breath, hold your breath, and blow it out. And then the hiccups will be gone. All right. And now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.